All protocols duly observed. I want to say a big thank you to everyone for making it down here today.
Over the past 1 year, these trainees have gone through rigorous in-class sections and intensive hands-on experience across our core technology units.
So whatever decision you think you are making in life, just trust in yourself, believe in yourself, and stay true.
Once more, congratulations to you guys. For us, part of our vision is to be able to give back, and today marks a major milestone, giving back to the industry. And we ask ourselves, what is in it for us? Well, the truth is, there's nothing in it. What we're just doing is giving back to the next generation.
Well, One Training Academy transformed us with real skills and guidance. From not knowing what fiber means to understanding what fiber means to working with fiber and setting up projects.
Really appreciate the organization of Fiber One for giving us this kind of training. It really means a lot to us.
Mentorship from our experts built our confidence and direction. Fiber One believed in us, and now we are ready for the new chapter.
So once more, congrats to you guys. You've been a whole year in the system, and I hope whatever you've learned here, you will take it on to your next phase of your life. Thank you very much.